RFID scanner. Here we have an LED indicator. Here we have a servo motor that acts as the lock. Here we have our MFRC522, which is just a scanner. We have a few cards, and we have a buzzer right here, which is also an access granted or denied indicator. So starting off with one that is no access, you go ahead and just tap it. There we get a prompt there that says, let's do that again, access denied. We also get the LED indicator. Here we'll do one that does allow access and give it a few moments. And we're allowed to open and close the door. The LCD also displays the person who scanned their card and welcomes them. Now for another one, does the same thing. There we go. Yep.
Yeah, nice.